Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. You all are fine. Every day this Sajna ma'am is asking this question only. You are fine, you are fine, you are fine. Why I am asking this? I want to know whether you are fine or not. That is why. Okay. When I am asking this, I can see your smiling face in front of me. That is why I am asking always. Okay. Ma'am is also fine and you are all teachers are also fine here. Okay, so shall we start? Last week we were reciting a rhyme, we were saying a rhyme about what is it? You all learned? Yes, Baba Black Sheep. I know you all learned and you had sent it to your teachers also, isn't it? Yes, then we had learned one word, one conjunction. What is it? When two things are there, to add both of them, to say both of them, we will use a word. What is it? And. What is it? And. Okay. A rat and a cat. A mat and a cat. Like those things. A pen and a pencil. A book and a pen. Like that. If we want to add a boy and a girl. Like that we had learned last week. Isn't it? Today I am with new topic, which will be very interesting for you. Okay, you have to listen to me properly. I will show you some items. You want to look carefully and you want to say what is it. Ready? Okay, look here. What is this? What is this? Book. How many books are there? Only one book. So we will say a book. What is it? A book. Look here. What is this? A book. What is it? A book. Okay. Look this side. Look, so many books are there. So what we'll say this? Books. This is only one. So we will say a book. And here there are so many, so we will say books. Okay, so if it is one, we will say a book. We were learning, where to use a and an. Where we will use a before consonant letter words, isn't it? And where we will use an before vowel letter words. If it is singular, that means if it is one. Okay? If it is one, we will use a or an. You got me? Yes. So this is a book and these are books. Books. Okay. Now look here. Look here, look here, look here, look here, look here, look here. There is a, look here, what is this? And. What is this? And. How many ants are here? Only one. So what we will say? An ant. What is it? An ant. What is it? An ant. Look here, so many ants are here. Look, so many are there. So what we will say? Ants. Ants. More than one. More than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ. ഒന്നാണെങ്കിൽ we will use just an. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലാണെങ്കിൽ we will say ants. Right? Understood? Here look, now you look on the board. I will show you some pictures. Look here. What is this? A hen is here. A hen is here. What is it? A hen. Look that side. Look that side. What is it? So many are there. So what we will say? Hens. What we will say? Hens. Okay. Then look the next picture. What is this? Owl. How many owls are here? Only one. So we will say an owl. What we will say? An owl. Look that side. There are so many owls. So what we will say? Owls. So an owl, owls. An owl, owls. Okay. Now you look at the next picture. What is this? That red color fruit, what is it? Apple. How many apples are here? How many apples are here? Only one. So what you will say? An apple. What you will say? An apple. Look here, so many are there. Then what you will say? Apples. What you will say? Apples. Now look here. In front of me, one side, how many birds are here? And the other side you look, so many birds. So what will say? This is a bird. What is it? A bird or a bird. What is it? A bird. And this one, birds. What is it? Birds. What is it? Birds. Okay. So one more thing I will show you. After that I will just write out some words on the board and we will read it together. We are not going to show the pictures again. I know you all understood what is it. Okay? Okay. So look at this picture. What is this? Look here. How many oranges are here? Only one. So what we will say? An orange. What you will say? An orange. Here there are so many oranges. So what we will say? Oranges. What you will say? Oranges. Okay. Now it's enough. I know you understood what we will say, what we will call, what we will write for this thing. You just want to add a S for the other one. Then it will be okay. Okay. If there are so many, you just want to add an S with the first word. Then you will be getting many. Okay, so this is one and many I am going to tell you. So now I am going to write some words on the board. You want to read it. Ready? Ready? Okay. Look here. Yes, what is this? A bag. What is it? A bag. Can you say many? What will you say? So many are there, then what will write? Bags. What we will write? Bags. So a bag, bags. A bag, bags. Now look at the next word. What is it? A pen. A pen. So what we will write here? If it is so many pens. What is it? Pens. What is it? Pens. Look the next one. A pig. You know how to read 3-letter words. That is why I came with this. Okay. So a pig. What is it? A pig. If there are so many pigs, what we will write? Pigs. What is it? Pigs. Understood? A pig, pigs. Now look at the next one. This also you learned in O sound words. A cock. K-O-K. Cock. A cock. What we will write if it is so many? Cocks. Cocks. C-O-C-S. K-O-K-S. Cocks. Okay. Then the next one I will say, look, read this. What is it? A cap. What is it? A cap. What is it? A cap. Then read the next one. What we will say for many? Caps. What is it? Caps. What is it? Caps. Understood? Now you got. There are many more pictures and words in your textbook. You want to go through everything. Okay. If it is one, we will say a bag, an orange, an owl, like this. If it is so many, we will say more than one. More than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലാണെങ്കിൽ we will say bags, owls, like that. Understood? You got me? Now you want to take your textbook and you want to read it thoroughly without the help of pictures. As usual, I am saying you have to read it without the help of pictures. Right? So whenever you want to write many, you just want to add an S to it. Okay? Hen, hens, owl, owls, apple, apples, bird, birds, orange, oranges, stars, stars, bag, bags, like that. Okay, now I will just show you a picture on my back. That picture is there in your textbook. That picture is there in your textbook. Ready? Look here, Muckles. Here you can see a picture in your textbook also. You are having the same picture, isn't it? Right. Okay, here you can see a man. His name is Raju. His name is Raju. You know what is Raju? Raju is a farmer. Who is Raju? Raju is a farmer. What is farmer? And the farmer, you know, people who cultivate crops, people who look after this domestic animals, like that. Krishikaran. Understood? Farmer. Raju is a farmer. Then look here. Raju, what all things Raju is having? It is all shown in this picture. Look, Raju is having a cow. Raju is having a cow. Raju also have many ducks. Many ducks. Can you count and say how many ducks Raju is having? Can you count and say? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is not duck. It is more than one. So it will be ducks. He is having only one cow. So we will say a cow. But he is having more than one duck. He is having 4 ducks. So we will say it 4 ducks. Ducks. Okay? 4 ducks. And look here. You can see a cat and a kitten. You can see a cat and many kittens here. Can you say how many cats are here? Only one. So we will say a cat. So we will say a cat. Can you say how many kittens are here? How many kittens are here? 3 kittens. So we will say kittens. We will say kittens. Okay. So now I am going to ask you some questions related to this picture. Ready? Okay. How many ducks does Raju have? How many ducks? How many ducks? Correct. How many ducks? 4 ducks. How many ducks? 4 ducks. Okay. How many cats? How many cats does Raju have? How many cats? How many? Only 1 cat. How many cats? Only 1 cat. So a cat. So now you tell me, how many cows does Raju have? How many cows? Only 1. So we will say a cow. Raju has a cow. A cow. Okay. Now you tell me, how many kittens does Raju have? How many kittens? Yes, 3 kittens. So Raju has 3 kittens. Raju has 3 kittens. Okay. Understood? So Raju has 3 kittens and a cat. Raju has 3 kittens and a cat. You might be looking it and saying, it is just looking like 4 kittens. It is not 4 kittens. It is 1 cat and 3 kittens. Okay, it is 1 cat and 3 kittens. So you got the point. So what you want to do is, this picture and the passage is there in your textbook. You want to read line by line. Okay. You want me to read for you? Shall we read it? Okay. Now look at the page. Read it. Yes. Raju is a farmer. Raju is a farmer. Then the next line. He has a cow and many ducks. He has a cow and many ducks. Okay. Then last line. He has a cat and 3 kittens. He has a cat and 3 kittens. Okay. There are some questions under that. How many ducks does Raju have? How many ducks? 4 ducks. Okay, how many cows does Raju have? 1 cow, that is a cow. Okay, then how many kittens does Raju have? 3 kittens. How many kittens? 3 kittens. Go through it thoroughly, read it again and again, and we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye bye, see you. Assalamu alaikum.